Well, today I got hungry. I had a few minutes, so I whipped myself up a little snack. We're going to call them Mojo Puppies. And here's the recipe. You might want to pause it and jot this down because you're going to want to make it. Now, this ain't just a side dish for your catfish. This right here can be a dish of its own, as I found out. And, we're already dancing, so let's go ahead and get on with it. We're going to start out with a cup of cornmeal, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. To that, we're going to add 2 lightly beaten eggs, give it a little twirl, and realize you forgot to put some more dry ingredients in there. And that's going to be some Mojo, because this is a Mojo channel, and your favorite Cajun seasoning. Add about a tablespoon or a little more. Now for a little bit more moisture, we're going with sour cream. Give her a good little mix, and we're going to add in an 11-ounce can of this here Mexican corn. That's got a few peppers in there to spice things up, but we're going to add a little bit more. Now on the recipe, I called for 2 ounces, but we're going to use this whole 4-ounce can, and I'm glad we did. Alrighty, after that little stir, we're going to add in a half a cup of green onions. Not the bottom part, just the top part, the part that's green. See, green onions, get it? Alrighty, now for the star of the show, we're going in with these here these crawfish tails. Now you don't have to use mud puppies. You can use shrimp. You can use crab meat. Heck, I guess if you want to, you could use veiny sausages. I don't know. Okay, mix that in there and add up to 4 to 8 ounces of cheese, however much your little body wants. And there's the mix, folks. We're ready to get them cooking. Now, as per usual, I didn't mash record, so we got started a little late. And when your grease gets up to 350, let's get you one of these tablespoon and a half scoops here. I think they're maybe melon scoops. I don't know. They're melancholy. Let's go ahead and just scoop some up and dump them in that hot grease. Now, we're going to speed this up because really, it only takes, I found this out through a lot of experiment, 3 minutes and 33 seconds is the perfect time for some crawfish hush puppies. And this is what they should look like. After tossing them around there for a while in the grease, they get nice and golden brown all the way around. There's your reveal shot. There's your eating part. And man, I'm telling you what, I amaze myself sometimes. And in the words of one of my heroes back in the days, I just love it when a plan comes together. Alrighty, go out to Walmart's, grab you all these ingredients. You can have this whipped up in like 30 minutes, and you'll be a happy, happy person. Mojo is out.